Insolvency and bankruptcy code is a summation of all acts. It subsumes all the acts into it. And why does it was formed? Because just like Vijay Mallya uh, ate all the did NPAs to the banks, so much NPAs, so banks were in debt and companies money was lost, so bank were unable to recover their debts from the companies, so they removed the management of the company, and this is called as reconstruction of financial assets. And now bank will run the company, they will appoint constitution of committee of creditors, and then it will remove the board of directors of the company, and then some IRP will be appointed at that place. He will run the company in a different way so that company perform good way and perform profit, so that uh, banks can recover their money and banks debt can be recovered, so that bank does not have to face loss. And through this voluntary winding up of the company, because if company could not be liquidated, if company would not be wind up, then it could not run another business, and the stakeholders money whoever had invested in the company could not be get back if it would not be liquidated. Earlier company can be formed easily, but it cannot be liquidated easily. Now it is formed, for that the procedure of liquidation becomes simple and easy, because earlier there was no act under the Indian constitution in which a company can be wound up easily and company can be died easily. A company can be took birth easily, but it cannot die easily, and that is why this act got formed. Rest. So company can be wound up easily through this act, and that is why it was formed. Test videos I will put up in the next video.